The elevator connects you to the next generation of entrepreneurs with Orange.
Christophe Timmermans, CEO of SolarCleano, talks about his startup, which was founded 6 years ago with the goal of creating a robot specifically designed for cleaning solar panels.
Hello, my name is Christophe Timmermans. I'm the CEO of SolarCleano. We produce robots which are involved in the solar industry. We clean solar panels and we perform predictive maintenance to raise and increase the solar efficiency in Atacama, in the Sahara and in Australia. We are based in Luxembourg and our after-sales service is serving worldwide.
Their team of experts uses their knowledge in mechanical design and years of experience in solar panel cleaning to develop innovative, autonomous and semi-autonomous cleaning technologies for the industry.
That was the elevator with the Orange Pro Fiber, a high-performance connection that supports your company's elevation.
Orange.